and I want to try to cook for my kids before they come back from school. I brought out this turkey, by the way. I'll be washing it now. This is what I'll be cooking, and my the turkey, my sweet potato for dinner, and I'll be adding this mint as well. So that is what I'll be cooking for dinner for tonight. I think I've got another sweet potato over there. Yeah, I've got another sweet potato because that one will not be enough for everyone. So I'll be using this potato and the turkey for turkey pepper soup. Yeah. So that is what we'll be having for dinner today. So guys, God, lots of people are getting things wrong. Most of us are falling for this fake life people are projecting on social media. I think it's high time you are contented with whatever Allah has given to you. Yes, guys. Please stop falling for fake life on social media. I think what I have to do now is clean up this kitchen. This one goes in the bin. Doesn't take much time to cook, so yeah, I'll be adding this one in my pepper soup. This is sweet potato, guys, sweet potatoes. I found cutting my potato like this very easy for me than using chopping board. Yeah, I think I'm gonna throw this away. Yeah, so I'm done with my potatoes now. Let's start cooking. Imran is sitting right there playing. Yeah, so now I will be washing my turkey. Yeah, I've washed it with water and salt. So I also normally like to use vinegar, but I don't have vinegar, so I'll be using my lemon, and also the lemon add to its taste. Guys, you can try this, or you can feel free do whatever that you think you are comfortable doing. But for me, yes, I like to use a little bit of lemon or vinegar, yeah, to wash my turkey, you know, to give it that clean feeling. Yeah, let me just call it that way. Like I've said, I've washed this turkey before, but I'm just going to add a little bit more water before I put it in the pot. Yeah, so guys, after washing it with the lemon, I'm just going to put it in my pot. Then we set it aside. Yeah, so our turkey is ready now. So let's get the ingredients together. Yes, guys, so in here I've got my onion, my scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, bell pepper. I'm using just 1.5 because that is enough for me to cook for my family. To be honest, guys, I don't know, Australia scotch bonnet pepper is so spicy, so I wouldn't like to use more than 1.5 in there. So I've got 1.5, 1 onion, and 3 garlic cloves. So guys, feel free to use whatever you feel like using, but for me that is enough. To be honest, that is enough for me. So let's blend our ingredients together. So now that I'm done blending my ingredients, I'm just gonna add onion to my turkey. Guys, remember it's called pepper soup, so I like to use a little bit of black pepper, and for me I use a little bit of paprika. I don't know why, but just to give it that little bit of color, and salt to taste. Yes guys, and I'll be using this my chicken powder with no added MSG. Good for you guys. So I'll be using a little bit of my chicken stock powder. Yeah, and I will add my blend scotch bonnet pepper and the onion. Everything goes in there. Yeah, I don't want to add any water at this stage, so all I do is just stir for them to get to know each other. Yeah. Proper introduction. Yeah. So all I have to do now is leave it there to cook, then I'll come back to shake. Yeah, so this is my chicken after few minutes. This is all I'm doing, just to check. Guys, this is spicy, so what I'm gonna do now is add my pepper soup, spicy to it. Okay, and I'll be using this obeata. This is from Nigeria, by the way. I'll be adding my obeata spicy, which is pepper soup spicy. Everything is in there, all the ingredients like pepper soup mix. Yeah, and at this stage as well, I'll be adding my sweet potato. So what I'll be doing now is leave it to cook for about 15 minutes, then I'll come back to check it. Yeah, let's start counting, guys. Check on our pepper soup. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that bubbling. Oh my god, oh my god, yummy yummy already in my tummy. Yeah, I think I'm still gonna leave it for about another 15 minutes so that the turkey can get cooked. Yeah, it's time for me to chop my scent leaf now. We call it efirin. Yeah, I think without efirin in pepper soup, I don't think that pepper soup is complete without efirin. Yeah, don't be distracted with that watermelon there. I just want to cut that as well for my kids. Yeah, I'll be doing that later. Watermelon does not go in pepper soup. Just kidding, guys. Yeah. I'm using Mukhtar shopping board. You know, whenever they are in school, like, it's so much quiet. Though I have Imran here, Imran that will not allow me to do anything, but at the same time, he's just sitting quietly now. Like, look at the way he's sitting now, guys. You guys need to see this. Let me show you how Imran is sitting down watching Blip. He's watching Blippi. You guys need to see. I don't know if you can see Imran there. You see how he's just minding his business and opening his mouth? This boy, eh? This boy don't kill me with laugh. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is just check if my pepper soup is ready. Then I'll be putting, yeah, this in our pepper soup. Guys, see heaven, see goodness and mercy. Oh my god, I can't wait to start eating this pepper soup, guys. Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, I just want to test if I need to add anything. Voila, everything is okay. We don't need to add any salt or any seasoning. All I need to do now is just shove that efirin in it, and it's pepperish, but I still want to add like little bit of what is that thing called? Chili. Yeah, atagigun. Yeah. Oh my god, this will be so our pepper soup is ready now. So all I have to do, the efirin, everything is in there. So all I have to do is let it rest for about 15 minutes and our pepper soup is ready. Thanks for cooking with me, guys. That boy is still busy washing. So guys, thanks for watching. We really appreciate you. Thanks for your support. Now it's time for me to relax. I think I need to end this video now. I need to sit down, relax before I go pick up my kids from school. Thank you. I really appreciate your love. I appreciate your support. Thank you. And for those of you sharing me out, I really appreciate you. Thank you. You don't know what it means to me. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Thank you. I don't even know what to say. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate you. If you're coming across this space for the first time, welcome. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button. It is free. You are not going to get charged for any penny. No, they're not going to charge you. It is free of charge. So subscribe to our channel. Keep watching this family. And very soon, guys, we'll be playing game. Yeah, which means you will get to win something from me. So invite your friends, share me out. Well, if you live in Nigeria, be rest assured, very soon, you guys, if you win my game, I'm going to deposit your bank account. Yes, guys. So keep sharing me out, support us, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. I need to attend to this boy. Love you guys. Bye.